Hey everyone, this is Yogesh. Welcome to my channel, Utilize Your Business. And in this video, I'm going to talk about an SEO course by Greg Jeffrey. It's SEO Affiliate Domination. It talks about how you can earn $100 to $200 per day passively. Is that true? And what are these techniques that he talks about? So let's find out. So what is a SEO Affiliate Domination course all about? So first of all, let's talk about the creator, Greg Jeffrey. He's actually a six-figure affiliate marketer where he goes in and talks about why he got involved with the SEO and what are the techniques that he wanted. And then he does show a couple of the income proof of how much money actually he's making it using the techniques that he learned. If you go on the top of that, main tagline is how to replace your 9-to-5 job in the next 18 months or less. So he's just giving the realistic time where you can actually replace it while using the techniques taught in this course. He talks about, he will give you a step-by-step to create on your marketing campaigns, a list of either completely free or very inexpensive marketing tools that you needed to use his techniques. Then he also talks about how to generate tons of website traffic with little or no competition, and he talks about long tail keywords to use. So instead of using, for example, Clickfunnels, he talks about you can use, how to use Clickfunnel in e-commerce, or talk about the long term. So there's a less competition, but you might likely have you using that technique, you'll end up being whatever offer you're doing it, you'll be able to, with less competition, your offer will be visible to the people. And then also, if you go down the road, he also talks about some testimonial of his past students who have taken this course and they have earned income or maybe double the investment that he talks about. If you are the person who are coachable, adventurous, and you must understand the value of dollar, then this is the course for you. And you click enroll, and the course is actually $497. So it's pretty big investment, but I'm going to show you why this investment is worth it. So the first one is, once you're inside the SEO course, so first of all, well, what you can do is you can actually earn back your investment once you made $500 using all the techniques. All you have to do is submit your testimony, and you can actually, Greg Jeffrey will give you back your investment that you made it in, right? So the first one is just the welcome and the overview. So the first one talks about what is SEO, why it works, talks about domain hosting and registering. And one thing I liked about this is after every end of every module, he actually gives you the action steps. So action step in terms of what you should have it in your mind. And then if you go into this, he talks about action steps of where you actually go into the Google Trend and Amazon and make a list of 10 to 20 ideas of the niche topics that you can create a site about. So this is the one thing I really liked about the way his course is set up. So actually after every module, he does give you an action step, and if you take this step, so you are learning something at the same time, implementing the idea into action. So the second module talks about hosting and the WordPress theme and the plugin, and then again there is an action item on it. The third one is talking about the keywords and the SEO, and he also talks about on-page SEO and off-page SEO. And the other things I also liked about this is if you're not good in writing, he does gives you a couple of good links where you can outsource the articles that you want to write about it, so you're not worried about it. So if you do have some extra money to invest, and you're not looking for a better article, and you're not a good writer, and this suggestion to outsource the articles. Then he talks about the off-page SEO, and if you could keep on going, the one thing that I like about this is where he actually tells you the simplest and the fastest way to make your money back using his techniques. And then he does go in more in detail about it. And then for some of the people who really do have set aside some money that they can invest in, well, they don't have time because they're working two double shift, 9 to 5 or whatever it is. They actually has the done for you affiliate niches. So you can actually click on one of this and actually write it down for you, and which is really good, so that you're not struggling to make a website. And being, one thing I know about the courses is once you are struggling for it, you sort of tend to leave the course along and not to do any action on it, plan on it. So the thing I liked about his course is where each and every module gives you an action plan, and at the end of the action plan, it drives you to put that action plan into, make it for yourself and put it in action. And then he also gives you sort of other tools that you can use it if you have a little bit more of the money to invest in the business, such as done for you affiliate site, such as outsourcing your article contents. And since he has gone through all of them and picked the one which is good, are good for you, so you don't have to do a lot of searching and all that. And then he also has some case studies, and he also has some, talk about some of the success stories that we just had. So overall, if you look at it in terms of SEO, Greg Jeffrey, his success speaks itself. 6-figure affiliate marketer. He has won a lot of awards. He's on Dream Car winner on the Clickfunnels. It's actually where you have about 100 accounts under your affiliate links, and he has done a lot of other affiliate marketing. So it's not tied to one, and all of the techniques that he used himself, he has shared it in this plan and in this course, and we actually can go ahead and apply it. He does also, once you get into this course, he also have invitation for a private Facebook group where you actually can join the private Facebook group and actually can ask a specific question regarding this course if you are stuck or something. So overall, I really liked it. Sure, I enjoyed it and I went through it, and I am having successful in terms of I created a blog, a website, and I am now using this, cross-version rate for the YouTube, hence my website, Utilize Your Business. So I urge you to, if you are looking for any SEO and starting to build, digital asset, go ahead and invest in this. Now, if you are decided to invest in this on top of what you're getting from Jeffrey, I'm going to throw in some more bonus to make it easier for you. So the first bonuses, there are close to 8 bonuses. The first one is the T5 Mega Software Bundle. And then there's a group convert. If you are Facebook group owners, how to get emails from the members on the autopilot. If you are somehow involved in the Clickfunnels, I do have 3 courses, and one of them courses is by Greg Jeffrey, CF Affiliate Domination. Now, once you get into affiliate marketing, you want to know about which are the recurring affiliate programs. So there's a list of that. The ad swipe. And also I gives you a template of close to 9 different templates which are built in ClickFunnels that you can actually use it. I'll share it all you use. So this is all of him. And some of the people that when I mentioned about Tier 5 Mega Software Bundle, they want to know a little bit more about what it is all about. So there are about 5-6 software bundles. So the first one is the text in bulk. Then you talk about robo contacts, connecting with your dream, and these are all. Then the Magic App, making your website a sales tool. And there's a link visit. This shortening your link, and also the gives you tracking and protection to scale it. And there's invoicing for you, and then there's a sticky review. So you get all of this. Well, which they are regularly selling for anywhere from $300 to $47. You're getting all of this free. as a bonus once you invested in the SEO. So all you gotta do is click the link below in this video, and then there will also be a email after investing in it. Send me an email, and I'll send you all these bonuses that'll be yours to keep, and you'll have successful in the SEO field. See you guys. Bye.